how to look beautiful without makeup. How to look beautiful without makeup. What's up, guys? I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. And on to this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I enhance my face with no makeup. There are certain things that makes us to go without makeup, like where certain reasons that we kind of go without makeup. Sometimes because we want to let our skin breathe, or we want to pamper our skin, or we just gonna have an inflammation or acne that we don't want to complicate, or when we're traveling, because personally for me, I don't have time to apply makeup when I'm traveling. And so these are the reasons. And I have heard some girls say that they go no makeup when they are going on a date, or they cannot wear too much makeup when they get on a date. So these are the reasons, people don't like to wear makeup. But I think it is very healthy to kind of let your skin breathe. Today I'm gonna be letting my skin breathe. I just want to pamper my skin, and there are certain things that can make us stay beautiful, without makeup, like freshen up in the morning. Freshen up helps your face to stay fresh. Moisturizing, you can see my face is moisturized, and moisturizer doesn't cause any. It's good. Exfoliating the dead skin cell is very important. When you exfoliate the dead skin cell, it actually makes whatever you put on your face work. Exfoliating your lips as well, whitening your teeth, brushing your teeth. These are the things that helps us stay. I'm gonna show you how I enhance my face. 99% no makeup. I'm gonna show you how it has my face bare. I'm not gonna put it on the makeup. I'm gonna run some errands, attend to meetings, and I'm not going to wear makeup, and I'm still going to look good. You do understand? So let's get started. If you want to keep watching, kindly subscribe. It's at the end of this video. If you like it, kindly give it a huge thumbs up and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. So let's get started. Okay, I might not be going deep into skincare, but I'm gonna just pick up this. This is Elf Bubbly Max. So it's just to brighten my skin and to improve my pores. Yeah. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit amount of this. I'm gonna say that, yeah, that's it. So with the help of my mirror, I'm gonna just is it my face mask. I'm gonna leave it for some like 20 minutes before I come back to it. So I'm gonna quickly spread it all over. Careful with your eyes. I think this product is not an expensive product. This is a cheap product that absolutely works. You're on a brush it over, and I've dried my face, and you can see that this makes a lot of difference on my face. It makes a lot of difference on my face. Yeah, it did. So that's why I always go for this. It's not because it's not sponsored. I bought it because I use a few products, no makeup on my face. One of the problems I have is my brow. So I know my brow cannot stay like my brow cannot stay on one place the whole day. So I'm trying out some things. I want to use hair stay on one place. I'm going to try this hair gel, and it's funny, this is a clear eyes gel. I'm gonna try to use this one. This one has more nutrients in it. It doesn't have paraben, all those things. So that's when I go on this one. So okay, there's some on top. I'm gonna kind of squeeze it on it to just melt. What I'm doing a little bit. So I'm using my brow comb, so I'm gonna go right there and just you have to go think outside the box, things you can use if you're not going, if you're going on no makeup day. You know, things you can think about that can help you, that can enhance your face, you know, during these times. So the reason I'm doing this is just because I wanted this my brow to kind of stay at place, you know. I want the gel to help to hold it at place. Okay, I think so. I'm gonna bring the brow to back to the position. Okay, that's good. I love it. Use a little bit of a glow. The glow will help your face look, you know, beautiful. I'm using my favorite MAC strobe cream. Is a hydrant. It hydrates your face, so because of that, it's gonna keep my face hydrated throughout the day. And I'm gonna shake it up, squeeze a little out of my face, not using it much, as a lot goes a long way. So I'm gonna blend it. So I'm gonna blend it. I have to make sure you take it to the other places within your face. Okay. Wow, I love this. You know, this alone, you know, helps your face to look hydrated and glowing at the same time. With a little of this, you know, guys, these colors on my lip. So guys, and lastly, I'm gonna use the colors. This is the MAC's what's it called? Is MAC Lustrous. MAC Lustrous in A63. So I'm just gonna put it very lightly. I'm not putting much. I'm gonna, so guys, this is how I enhance my face with no makeup. You can see how it looks. It looks good. Makeup should not be worn all the time. It should not be, you know, worn all the time. Sometimes we have to let our skin breathe. And this looks so beautiful. Make sure you, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, it's free, and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and be blessed.